I'm James.
And we did the second lesson at the Lindy on Sproul presents Lindy intensive thing. And we had a lesson on momentum. Okay, so we started off with this pass by. That's our basic 6-count pass by. And what we really focus on is this idea of tracking, where the leads follow wherever the follows go. So if the follows go far, the leads use that second triple step to kind of.
And if they don't go anywhere, actually making sure there's that you stay away from the follow just a little bit to keep that same space throughout.
Yeah, and then we talked about having like a really juicy rock step, and we allow this by kind of continuing that momentum and then being caught. So instead of leading a new rock step, we're using the energy from our previous pass by to go into the new rock step.
And then from there we transition into the move called the jelly roll, where we're taking the same concept but adding a rotation to it, bringing the fall around and whipping them around like that. And it goes like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we maintain that same tracking concept by tracking our follow as they spin, so we can catch back up.
Yeah, and then we talked about really how this connection works. For example, at this point, we rotate, allowing our wrists to bend, and really getting that like smooth, like flowy motion where the whole thing is kind of like, rather than like a stop and then a go, it's one whole motion.
And leads keeping that arm low so that it can help them swing. And then we ended with a linking this with a ending of a swing out, which looks like this. And this really requires leads to trap the follow and stay close so they can catch up and then pull them back to redirecting from a rotational back to a linear. And that is our second lesson.